SEALSQ is increasingly demonstrating why it could grow enormously alongside the need for security against emerging cybersecurity threats brought about by the surge in AI and quantum computing today and tomorrow. For example, they announced that Hager, a global leader in electrical solutions and smart home systems, has chosen its PKI as a service platform, LAES, to provide device attestation certificates for Hager's Matter-compliant smart home range. This partnership enables Hager to seamlessly integrate devices into the Matter ecosystem, enhancing connectivity and simplifying certificate management from design to manufacturing. The Matter standard, led by the Connectivity Standards Alliance, aims to enhance smart home device interoperability and security. By partnering with SEALSQ, Hager benefits from faster time to market, cost-efficient compliance, and flexible deployment options. SEALSQ's LAES platform generates quantum-resistant certificates, ensuring long-term protection against emerging threats. This collaboration enables Hager to deliver smarter, more secure homes, with SEALSQ's advanced attestation ensuring Hager's Matter-compliant devices connect seamlessly to ecosystems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Customers benefit from enhanced cybersecurity, while Hager strengthens product reliability and gains a competitive edge with quantum-ready technology. Hager is a global leader in electrical solutions, delivering innovative products and services for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. With a focus on smart home technology, energy management, and building automation, Hager empowers customers with safe, efficient, and sustainable solutions. SEALSQ also signed a share purchase agreement to acquire 100% of ICLPS, an application-specific integrated circuit design and supply specialist based in Grenoble, France. This strategic acquisition is expected to reinforce SEALSQ's commitment to advancing its ASIC development to meet the growing demand in the sector. The acquisition would add approximately highly skilled staff from ICLPS current centers in Grenoble and Toulouse. ICLPS provides customers with a complete offering for application-specific integrated circuits and systems on chip development, with expertise in areas such as analog, digital, and mixed-signal circuits. The company has a strong presence in various sectors, including medical, industrial, automotive, IoT, and digital identity and security. ICLPS is certified with various standards, including ISO 9001, ISO 13485, EN 9100, and Common Criteria, and is a member of several design center alliances. The acquisition is expected to be completed subject to satisfying certain closing conditions, including regulatory approval by the French Ministry of the Economy. This move is part of SEALSQ's strategy to expand its capabilities and meet the growing demand for ASIC development. Similarly, SEALSQ recently made a strategic investment in Wacken token, reinforcing its commitment to secure and decentralized digital identity solutions. This investment marks a significant milestone in SEALSQ's vision to enable trusted Know Your Customer (KYC) processes, digital identity, and electronic signature services using blockchain-based technologies. The Wacken token is now a central component in SEALSQ's digital trust ecosystem, and the company is creating a dedicated reserve of Wacken tokens to support its ecosystem and future integrations. By integrating the Wacken token with WiseID, SEALSQ's trusted digital identity platform, the company is expanding the reach of secure identity verification across regulated industries. This integration enables robust KYC compliance, digital onboarding, and verifiable credentials, all supported by tamper-proof blockchain records and hardware-rooted digital certificates. Wacken and Solana have formed a strategic partnership to revolutionize the way official records are secured and verified, bringing transparency, security, and cost efficiency to the digitalization of institutional data. The Wacken token acts as a utility token for secure digital signatures, consent management, and verified data sharing, allowing individuals and organizations to engage in authenticated, legally binding digital transactions with confidence. This partnership has significant implications for banks and financial institutions, enabling them to streamline KYC and onboarding, automate compliance, and enhance security. SEALSQ's CEO, Carlos Moreira, believes in the power of decentralized identity, stating that combining Wacken's compliance framework with SEALSQ's secure identity infrastructure unlocks new standards for privacy, interoperability, and trust in the digital economy. Vincent Pignon, CEO of Wacken, adds that partnering with SEALSQ takes the Wacken token to a new level of strategic importance, enabling the next evolution of trusted interactions for financial institutions, governments, and enterprises worldwide. Wacken Group is a leading provider of blockchain-based solutions for secure data management, serving individuals, enterprises, and financial institutions. Its flagship platform, Wacken Comply, is a leading platform for orchestrating KYC and KYB compliance data and has established itself as a market leader in Switzerland. SEALSQ Corp showcased its commitment to quantum-resistant security by demonstrating live implementations of NIST-standardized crystal Kyber and crystal dilithium algorithms on its secure devices during the Quantum Days 2025 event in France. These demos highlighted SEALSQ's efforts to safeguard connected systems against future quantum threats, aligning with broader initiatives like quantum key distribution. The demonstrations featured two key algorithms: Crystal Kyber, a key encapsulation mechanism that enables secure key exchange over insecure channels. This was shown to allow two parties to share a secret using SEALSQ's secure devices while protecting against chosen ciphertext attacks. Crystal dilithium, a digital signature algorithm that ensures message authenticity and integrity. The demo verified dilithium's ability to sign and validate messages, crucial for trusted IoT communications. These demos were conducted on SEALSQ's latest quantum-resistant hardware platform and illustrated real-world applications of post-quantum cryptography. The Kyber demo demonstrated secure key exchange, while the dilithium demo confirmed message integrity and detected tampering. According to Danielle Font, a member of SEALSQ's product security team, these demos showcase the company's commitment to future-proof security and its pride in delivering NIST-compliant solutions that protect customers against quantum threats. The integration of post-quantum cryptography algorithms into its hardware ensures compliance with global cybersecurity standards, meeting the growing demand for quantum-resistant IoT solutions. This positions SEALSQ as a trusted partner for industries such as automotive, healthcare, and smart infrastructure, underscoring its leadership in shaping a secure digital future. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.